Horizontal irregular shaped flat bag packing machine. PLC touch panel, adjustable parameters, easy operation. Horizontal film feeding design, wrinkle-free and deviation-free. After the packaging film is formed, bottom sealing, vertical sealing, easy tear notch, and cutting are completed sequentially. Servo-driven bag pulling ensures smooth operation, and the bag width is adjustable. Laser coating machine for production date printing. Precise mold fitting allows for rapid forming of irregular and special-sized bags with rounded corners and no burrs. Vacuum suction cups are precisely aligned, ensuring smooth bag opening without jamming or deviation. Precise and controllable filling, preventing spillage. Suitable for liquids, pastes, sauces, powders, and other materials. The production speed can reach 30 to 40 bags per minute. Customizable with flat bags, irregular shaped bags, and other bag types. Follow us for professional packaging solutions.